Hello, in this video, I'm going to go over another WordPress plugin that I highly recommend. It's called Yoast SEO. Here is a blog post I recently made, and since I have Yoast SEO installed, I'm able to pick a keyword and see how the SEO for that keyword is. And right now, this is a blog post on OBS, and for the key phrase, the SEO is ranked good. Yoast SEO suggests a number of things to make the SEO good, such as text length. Generally, the text needs to have at least 1,000 words. The title needs to be not too long, also not too short. It needs to have a title. The meta description generally is suggested to have about 150 characters. Key phrase length, so you need to have a good key phrase, and also the key phrase needs to have a certain length, not too short, not too long. Images increase SEO, and so do internal links, which link to other parts of the website. This website being website promoters. Outbound links, so outbound links to other websites. Key phrase in the slug, and right now the SEO is ranked as good. Yoast also gives you ratings on the readability, and both the readability and the SEO are ranked as good in this blog post. For readability, it generally suggests you use a lot of transition words and that the content is presented in the passive voice and that paragraphs are not too long, and also that you don't use a lot of complicated words like Charles Dickens would use in his novels, where you would have to use a dictionary to look up every other word. Basically, you need to keep the language plain and simple. You need to have paragraphs that aren't too long, and you need to use a passive voice and use a lot of transition words for the readability to be good. The Yoast SEO plugin can be installed like all other plugins in the plugin menu. Once you have it installed, it can be activated, and then Yoast SEO can give you pointers on how to increase the SEO of every page or post. This is one of the most recommended plugins for a good reason. That is the end of the video. Remember to like the video, leave a comment below, and subscribe to the channel.